Field assembly. Gas regulator. Insert the plug into the gas block, ensuring that the flat surfaces are aligned. Replace the split collars, insert the regulator from the front, and screw it fully home. Turn the regulator to the setting required for correct functioning. If this is not known, then set to number 1. Barrel. Check that there is no obstruction in the barrel. Check that the registration numbers on the body and barrel are the same. Ensure screw-type lugs on the barrel are lined up properly with the handle to insert in the receiver. Put the barrel onto the barrel support located on the top of the bipod. Keeping the GPMG upright, draw the barrel to the rear and lower the carrying handle firmly. Recoil mechanism. Check that the registration numbers on the breech block and body are the same. Holding the pistol grip with the left hand, guide the piston into the lower part of the receiver. At the same time, ensure that the breech block is held fully forward and up. Position the breech block into its guides in the upper part of the receiver. Squeeze the trigger and push the piston group fully forward. Insert the main spring assembly and ensure that the stud on the rod is correctly engaged in the slot in the receiver of the GPMG. Butt. Lift the GPMG slightly, position the forward end of the butt into its guides in the receiver, and press down until the catch is fully engaged.